Welcome. Today, you'll learn how to mark a post as not interested on the Facebook app when using your PC, following the latest update. If your feed is cluttered with unwanted posts or you want Facebook to understand your preferences better, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in, and you'll land right on your home feed, where all recent posts from friends, pages, and groups are displayed. Next, scroll through your feed to find the post you're not interested in. This could be anything: a suggested post, a reel, or even a sponsored ad. Take a moment to spot something you'd like to hide or see less of in the future. When you find the post, look for the three dots icon usually placed in the top right corner of the post. This icon is your gateway to more options. Hover your mouse over it and then click. A small menu will pop up with several choices. From here, simply select Not Interested from the list. Once you click this option, Facebook takes note of your feedback. The selected post will disappear from your feed, and over time, Facebook will adjust what it shows you to better match your interests. This new update makes the process even quicker and more straightforward, helping you take control of your feed with just a few clicks. So, just to recap, open the Facebook app on your PC, find the post, click the three dots, and choose Not Interested. That's it. If you want your feed to be filled with content you actually care about, use this feature regularly. The more feedback you give, the better your Facebook experience will become. Thanks for joining me today.